In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your last name on LinkedIn. If you want a little extra privacy while you network, maybe to reduce spam, keep a lower profile during a job search, or simply share less with people you don't know, LinkedIn gives you a built-in control for your last name. Here's how to change it quickly and confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type LinkedIn, then click the official LinkedIn website in the results to open it. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and complete any verification prompts so you land on your feed. At the top of the page, find the Me menu, this is the one with your profile photo, and click it. From the drop-down that appears, choose Settings and Privacy. This opens your account settings in a new view, organized by categories down the left side. In the left sidebar, select the Visibility section. This area controls what other people can see about you across LinkedIn. Next, look for the option labeled Who Can See Your Last Name and click it to open the detailed controls. Now choose how your last name appears to others. You'll typically see options that either display your full last name to everyone or show only your first name plus the initial of your last name to people who aren't connected with you. Pick the setting that best matches your comfort level. If your goal is to hide your last name, select the option that limits it to an initial for non-connections. Your connections will still see your full name, so colleagues and trusted contacts can recognize you. Most changes here save automatically. Look for a small saved message or checkmark, and then navigate back to confirm that your preference is active. This setting affects how your name appears on your profile preview, in LinkedIn search results, and when people outside your network see your comments or invitations. A quick tip: if you use the mobile app, the path is similar. Tap your profile photo, go to Settings, open Visibility, then tap Who Can See Your Last Name and choose your preference. You can revisit this setting anytime, so feel free to adjust it as your networking needs change. And that's it. You've updated your last name visibility on LinkedIn and taken a smart step toward protecting your privacy while staying discoverable to the right people.